howdy, howdy. Y'all. Welcome to another great day. Huskerville, GRAPE Bakers. We're going out to the garage. It is July 23rd, 2026. We're going out to the garage to work on something I got for the garage. So it's going to be a GRAPE garage day. And I also got to pull this thing out of the pond. Looks like I better put some water in it too. Going down pretty quick. But you can see where it's spraying. It's getting plugged up. So we got to get that unplugged, get that working again. But today is not about the pond. See if I can get back in my garage. Here we go. I got something that's going to be useful for this place. Here, little buddy. Fabtabulous looking car. But I got something that's going to be, that's needed. Not super needed, but I got to store some more stuff. And this is what I got. It is going to hopefully be big enough to put stuff like this. All my boxed tools and stuff. I'm hoping it'll work. I probably didn't get a big enough one, but we'll see. I think it'll be fine, but we shall see. I'm sure I'll outgrow it if it's not big enough. So I'll be back when I get started building this thing, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. But it is purple. Gotta have purple. And I got purple magnets with the hooks. I'll be back in a minute when I get it unboxed. Here we go. Look how close that matches my calipers. Now we just got to put it together. So let's see what we can do, shall we? Here's the instructions that I got to follow. Gotta give me a wrench.
Nope, it was rather a nice song. Yes, it was, wasn't it?
Half inch. This is a part that we need to separate parts so we don't be looking everywhere for something we're missing.
Every minute they wonder if they'll ever...
I don't know what it is about me and these damn batteries on this GoPro, but this thing died on me when I was putting that thing together. I don't know how much of that you saw. Well, I'll find out when I edit the camera or edit the video. But we're almost done. I got it that far, and I got to tip it back up so it's on level ground, and then I got to tighten the bolts up. So I'm going to do that now. made a mistake, and I would not have this done without a mistake.
My doctor added Caplyta, proven to provide greater relief from depression
See that
symptoms
right
than
there?
antidepressant alone. Building on my progress without
See that right there?
weight gain and reported sexual side effects were not common.
Get where I'm coming from?
Dementia patients have increased risk of death or stroke. Caplyta is not approved for dementia-related psychosis.
So let's
Let your
get
doctor
this
about
thing
newer
flipped
psychotic
around.
changes, behaviors, or suicidal thoughts right away. Antidepressants may increase these risks. Report fever, confusion, stiff muscle.
All right, what do you think of that? That looks good. I like it. I like it a lot. That's gonna have to go down there. Yep, I gotta find a place for it, but that won't happen until next week. I got too many things going on this weekend. So with that, I'm gonna say goodbye on this one. This one's done. Project's done. Well, not done, but I gotta put stuff on the cart and get it out of the way. But, and I'll find a place for it. So as always, stay safe, stay grape. God bless. Have a blessed day. And we'll see you on the next one. Take care.